if you want to enable or disable auto rotate on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, grab your phone and let's swipe down from the top right corner of our screen. You'll see this icon, like right this one. It's called auto rotate icon, so it's quite obvious what it stands for. In order to turn on or turn off your auto rotate, simply tap on it. So now it is enabled, we can auto rotate our phone. If you want to disable it, tap on it, and now you won't be able to do that. Also, if you enable it and hold your finger on it, you will be sent to this menu, auto rotate menu. So you can adjust different options such as home screen, voice call screen, show rotate button in bottom of the screen, and lock screen. So press done, and basically that's it. When it is enabled, we can auto rotate it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.